S Kids Garage here. Today I'm gonna be trying to repair my sunroof. So I went ahead and made this template yesterday. It's just cardboard, it, and you basically just make it's like a backing, and this is like a mold to put your fiberglass on top of. Basically, you're gonna make a skin. So you just get the cardboard, make it the shape that you need, and then the fiberglass will take that shape. But you just put tape on top of it so the resin doesn't soak up the cardboard. Also, so you can remove it. And that's pretty much it. So things you're gonna need: some cardboard, because this is the massive hole I got now. A broken sunroof. So cardboard, painter's tape. You need something like this. This kit comes with the glass mat. I've used it, so I'm not sure how much I'll be able to get done, but at least I'll be able to get a layer down, and then might have to buy more glass mat. Gloves. This has the resin, the hardener, and the fiberglass like mat. Some sort of plastic cup. Doesn't matter, it just needs to be plastic. A brush and something to mix it with. And a mask is a good idea.